Hey guys, welcome to CJ Vlogs, and today we have the most coveted JioPhone 2 in our studios, and we'll be doing the unboxing and hands-on review of this smartphone because it will be in huge demand in India, especially for a price point of less than 50 US dollars. It offers 4G LTE connectivity and NFC. But before we unbox this, do remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Now, without further ado, let's do the unboxing and see how does the JioPhone 2 feel in hand and what's inside the box.
What we do here is go back.
Let's check out some of the features that have been mentioned on the box. On the top we see that 4G internet browsing, multiple Indian languages, GPS, Bluetooth, wireless FM radio, Wi-Fi connectivity, and this is something very interesting and which I think makes this phone actually better than a lot of different phones which are available at the same price point, that is the tap and pay technology. So this might have that NFC chip which can be used with JioPay, and it works like a contactless payment system. You need not carry your wallet with yourself because of the wide availability of JioPay and Jio services. This could be the solution India was looking out. It's also mentioned on the box that you get a one handset, one adapter, one battery, one JioPhone guide, one warranty card and one Jio SIM card. And the price of the phone is mentioned at 2,999, but I got it for 3,098. 100 rupees was the charge for delivery. The handset is powered by KaiOS and the specs of the phone is very interesting at this price point according to me. We are getting 2.4-inch QVGA TFT display, 2 megapixel camera on the rear and front facing VGA camera, 2000 mAh battery, 512 megabytes of RAM, 4 gigabytes of memory, SD card slot to increase up to 128 GB and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Now that's a feature that's not even on the latest iPhones. Let's open this up and see what's all inside. So let's open up the box and see what all there is inside the box. Straight away, Reliance has put the device on top, no BS, and there's a separate compartment for charger and battery. So we open it. Let's keep the device aside for a second. This is the power brick and this is the normal standard USB charger. If you have one lying around with you, you're good to go. Next up, we have the battery, Life branding, and it's a 2000 mAh battery. Let's just take the JioPhone. If you can see, there's a SIM card already inserted by Reliance. Once you purchase this device, it comes with its own SIM card, but you can use your existing SIM card as well. It's a dual nano slot SIM card trays that have been given by Reliance and an SD card slot tray so that you have the option to expand the memory. Before I put the device away, I told you it must have an NFC chip somewhere around here back, and this is the NFC chip that will be used according to me for that JioPay. Assembling the phone, it's still not heavy. This is the power button. Let's power it on. Nice little animation from Reliance. I really like the form factor of the device. You can reach all the four corners with just your thumb and you can type efficiently. This is what QWERTY keypads should be like. And I think the boot is finished. It takes quite a bit of time to boot for the first time. Hey Google, who's the owner of Jio?
Reliance Jio Infocom Limited's parent organization is Reliance Industries.
So as you can see that there is Google Assistant available, and then it straight away takes you to the first search result of the search. Along with that, there are other usual apps loaded with JioPhone, maybe to further subsidize the cost, like Facebook is here and Google Assistant is here, Interesting to see that there's a file manager with this phone. As of now, it's quite handy. It's comfortable. The grip is nice. This 2 megapixel rear camera is not much of a big deal. I'll show you some samples that I just took with this camera in a good lighting condition. Even then, the picture quality is not that great. On front facing side, this is the VGA camera which will be used for making video calls. Stay tuned for the full review that's coming very soon on my channel. So that's it guys, JioPhone 2 hands-on experience ends here. This phone is all about making lives easy for millions of Indians who don't have access to basic smartphones. I'll be out with my full review of the device very soon about its durability as well as its usability in the Indian market. According to me, purchasing JioPhone 2 makes a lot of sense in India as compared to an Android One devices. Sure, you get better speed and maybe specs with Android One devices, but the ecosystem right now of Jio apps is more valuable and will only grow further as the number of users increases, and millions of Indians are gonna buy this phone, and that's why this device will be important according to me. What are your thoughts on the same? Do let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you have any specific questions, do let me know. I'll try to answer them all. If you need a specific video about JioPhone 2, let me know. I'll make it. And if you like this video, hit like button and share it with all your friends and subscribe for more videos like this. Till then, this is Chirag from CJ Vlogs, signing off.